Well, the FDA has given full approval to Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for those 16 and older.
The Pentagon is now set to issue guidance to make the vaccine mandatory for members of the military. 12 News reporter Anita Buffoni spoke to the Department of Health about what this means for Rhode Islanders and local pharmacies. Anita joins us now with that information. Anita?
Well, Mike and Shannon, it's a moment many skeptical to get the COVID-19 vaccine have been waiting for: full FDA approval. Rhode Island health leaders now anticipate a boost in appointments for Pfizer's 2-dose vaccine. A milestone has been reached that may help persuade more people to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Pfizer's shot becomes the first to be fully approved by federal regulators.
The FDA approval is the gold standard.
FDA analyzed thousands of pages of data and issued their stamp of approval.
Really speaks to the safety and the efficacy of the COVID vaccines, and specifically the Pfizer vaccine.
Dr. Philip Chan with the Rhode Island Department of Health believes more Rhode Islanders may now sign up for a Pfizer shot. Health Department data shows more Rhode Islanders have already gotten Pfizer's vaccine. Among those who are at least partially vaccinated, roughly 354,000 have gotten Pfizer. 241,000 received Moderna, and 44,000 the single-dose Johnson & Johnson shot.
There's plenty of vaccine available, including the Pfizer vaccine, if people would like it.
A Brown University top doctor says federal approval could spur more vaccine mandates.
For a lot of companies and businesses and schools, they have been waiting for this full approval before mandating vaccines.
President Biden Monday calling on more companies to make it a requirement, and the military is pushing forward to mandate the shot for service members. Now, health leaders believe Moderna's vaccine could get full FDA approval this fall. Johnson & Johnson plans on applying for approval later this year. I'm Anita Buffoni, 12 News.
We are working developing news tonight. One of the 3 COVID-19 vaccines being administered in the U.S. is now fully approved by the FDA.
The Pfizer shot's approval is already leading to more mandates. CVS Health just announced it will require all of its corporate staff and employees who interact with patients to be fully vaccinated by the end of October.
12 News reporter Anita Buffoni talked to the Department of Health today. She joins us now live in studio. Anita?
Mike and Shannon, the stamp of approval by the FDA is described by the president as the gold standard. Now, health leaders hope this will help persuade those who resisted to sign up to get Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. From authorization for emergency use to full approval by federal regulators, Pfizer's vaccine becomes the first to be fully approved by the FDA.
Those who've been waiting for full approval should go get your shot now.
So what does this mean for Rhode Island? Do you expect there to be more appointments for Pfizer now that this has been approved?
I'm very hopeful that there will be more appointments for Pfizer. I think what we've been hearing on the street is that a lot of people, some people have been waiting for full approval of the vaccine, and the day is finally here.
Health Department data shows more Rhode Islanders have already gotten Pfizer's vaccine. Among those who are at least partially vaccinated, roughly 354,000 have gotten Pfizer. 241,000 received Moderna, and 44,000 received the single-dose Johnson & Johnson. With full approval comes the possibility of more vaccine mandates.
But I also think a lot of big businesses are waiting, and with this full approval, they'll feel a lot more comfortable asking their employees to get vaccinated.
Shortly after the FDA approved Pfizer, the military said it would push forward with plans to make the vaccine a requirement among service members, and President Joe Biden encouraging companies to do the same. Now, Moderna has already applied for FDA approval, and health leaders think that decision could come down in a matter of weeks. Johnson & Johnson has not yet applied. I'm Anita Buffoni, 12 News.